Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Arif Kevin Rahim. My metric 289525.
My name is Muhammad Difimi bin Muhammad Faiz and my metric number is 289652.
My name is Raiha binti Rusli. My metric number is 286846.
Hi, my name is Warabatul Arabiah binti Wan Sulaiman and my metric number is 281492.
My name is Nur Fatin Amira binti Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number is 285878.
So here is our problem identification, which is suicidal cases are quite common in Malaysia. The number of reported suicidal cases among students has been increasing over the years. So we choose Foundation UM students cohort 8 as our population, and for our sample, we choose two classes which are from class C and G. We use sampling method, which is sample random sampling, and that's why we use a spin wheel. Then class C and G was chosen randomly. Next, we use a primary data. So for our group, we made an online survey to get our own data about the depression among the Foundation UM students.
This on the pie chart show that gender percent of female will get 83.3%, while the male just get 16.7%. This show that the gender of female record the higher percent rather than male. Next, the bar chart show that the Foundation UM student were had doing the survey more in 19 years old rather than 18 years old. It can be proven when the total of 19 years old get 39 per 48 and the balance for the 18 years old. This on the donut chart show the current semester percent of semester 2 get the 100% rather than other semester. It show that all the Foundation UM students who had doing this survey were from semester 2.
Based on the pie chart, there are 92% said yes that they know about depression, and the other 8% said no, which they do not know what is depression. This can be clarified that there are some of them still do not know what is depression. Based on the pie chart, there are 50% said yes that they ever feel depressed. The other 21% said no, and 29% are still concerned if they ever feel depressed or not.
The variables are qualitative data and the measuring scale is nominal. This pie chart illustrates the symptoms of a student who was depressed. According to the pie chart, 59% of students reported feeling hopeless or down when they were depressed. Among the others, this is the most prevalent symptom. Then, 20.5% of students reported they were tired and lacked energy, while only 12.8% said they had a bad appetite or overreacted. Finally, just 5.1% of students reported trouble falling asleep or sleeping too much. Next, the objective of this question is to determine how frequently students experience depression. The ordinal measurement scale is used. Then, based on the qualitative data, we concluded that 27 of the students had depression for multiple days, while 9 students had depression almost every day. Finally, 3 students were depressed for more than half of the day. To summarize, depression can strike at any time.
By using a primary method in which we give out a Google form to collect qualitative data from respondents, we can conclude a portion of 74.4% answered yes, while the other 25.6% answered no. When an individual has anxiety or depression, most of their mental ability is used to generate and process unsettling thoughts. This can cause difficulty concentrating on positive thoughts and be exhausting for the student, reducing their learning ability. Based on the pie chart, 64.1% said yes and another 35.9% said no to take any action to overcome their depression. They need to overcome their depression. For example, get enough sleep, eat well and exercise regularly, reach out to family and friends when time get hard, get regular medical checkups and see your provider if you don't feel right. Get help if you think you're depressed.
As we can see in this outcome of survey, 81.3% of them choose long-term pressure or emotional distress, and we can conclude it was a main factor of depression. Next, based on this data, it is categorized as qualitative variable and nominal measurement scale.
There are pros and cons of our selected method. The pros are it is real-time access, convenience, and there is no interviewer. The cons are we cannot engage participants for a short time. There are some technical errors, and we are 100% reliant on software.